Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Google Calendar. So let's begin. Go ahead, open your Chrome browser, access Google's Calendar. You can click right over here to have a quick access. Okay. Next, click on the gear icon right over here, which is settings, and click on settings. On the left tabs, you can choose keyboard shortcuts, or you can just simply scroll down. This part is what we need to look into. So you can either click this to set this option on or click it off, but we're going to put this on. So if you don't know, turning this on means turning on quick key commands to let you navigate and use Google Calendar faster without a mouse. And once you enable this, you can press C, like for example, to create a new event, press D, W, or M to switch the day, week, or month, and use the arrow keys to move between dates, and pretty much more to explore. So that's it. That's how you enable keyboard shortcuts in your Google Calendar. I hope you found this video very helpful.